Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce pasta using corn flour easy method. Start by melting butter and sautéing garlic, then whisk in a corn flour slurry until smooth and thick. Gradually add milk, simmer gently, and season with salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Fold in cooked pasta and a splash of reserved pasta water to loosen the sauce, then finish with cheese and fresh herbs before serving. In this video, I will show how to make white sauce pasta using corn flour easy method. Combine corn flour with cold milk to form a smooth slurry and set aside. Melt butter in a pan, add garlic, then whisk in the slurry over low heat until it thickens. Stir in remaining milk, season, and add cheese. Toss the cooked pasta with sauce, use reserved pasta water to adjust consistency, and garnish before serving. In this video, I will show how to make white sauce pasta using corn flour easy method. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting timers, playing music, and reading recipes aloud while you cook, making multitasking effortless. It's compact, sounds crisp for its size, and fits easily in any kitchen nook. If you like this tip, subscribe and like, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make white sauce pasta using corn flour easy method. Keep heat low and whisk constantly to avoid lumps while the slurry activates. If sauce becomes too thick, thin with reserved pasta water or small milk additions, stirring until smooth. Fold in cheese gently off the heat to keep the sauce glossy. Finish with freshly cracked pepper and herbs for a bright, comforting dish your family will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.